Hello aspirants, today is JAM Eco 2026 paper I am solving. So let's start with this. A single input production function is given. Okay, q equal to l to the power 0.25, where q is greater than 0, l is greater than 0, denote the output of the single input respectively, and the unit price is also been given. L is W and the cost is C1 when no output is produced. Which one of the following statement is correct? Option 1, 2, 3 for the cost function and all. Let's just come for the question first. Q equal to L to the power 1 by 4. So dq dl will give you 1 by 4, L to the power minus 3 by 4, still positive. And second order derivative, minus 3 by 16 L to the power minus 7 by 4 makes it negative. So the production function is second order negative, so concave. So whenever the exponent is between 0 to 1, L to the power alpha, and 0 to the power 0 alpha and less than 1, then we derive the cost function q equal to L to the power 1 by 4, that is L equal to q to the power 4. We can say it like this. So cost क्या होगा? So cost is WL by C1 के साथ जुड़ जाएगा और कुछ नहीं है. तो CQ क्या है? WL की जगह Q4 डाल दो, हमारा काम हो गया. अब फिर से डेरिवेटिव मारेंगे. So DC DQ. So 4W हो गया Q3, D2C DQ2 हो जाएगा 12W Q स्क्वायर. दिस इज पॉजिटिव. तो ये जो अपना कॉस्ट भैया है, कॉस्ट हमारे है कॉन्वेक्स, दोनों में बनती नहीं है, हस्बैंड वाइफ की तरह है. सो डीप इकोनॉमिक इंट्यूशन में हम लोग यही कहेंगे, कॉन्वेक्स का मतलब क्या है? प्रोडक्शन फंक्शन इज एक्चुअली एक डिमिनिशिंग मार्जिनल प्रोडक्ट एंड इंक्रीजिंग मार्जिनल कॉस्ट. So this is the duality of the fundamentals in the microeconomics. ठीक है? So इस हिसाब से देखा जाए, so the cost function is convex and the production function is concave to the origin. Hence the answer is C.